my name is Isabel, and I'm the Cengage Student Ambassador. Today, I'm just going to walk you through one of my favorite MindTap features, which is adaptive test prep. So this is a feature I used a lot last year, and it helped me get a really good grade in my economics course. So basically, the way that you get into adaptive test prep is by clicking any chapter you want, going into study it, and then clicking on adaptive test prep. Then you'll see that it'll lead you to this page, which has every chapter in the textbook. And so the reason I really like this is that when I was studying for my exams, if I didn't understand, let's say 4.4 and 6.2, I would see how many questions adaptive test prep had available, and from there start testing myself. And I would use this as a benchmark to see how I was doing and what could I improve in that class. So let's say I'm taking the test right now and I'm choosing some answers over here. What I really liked about adaptive test prep is once you submitted that um, test, even if you get it wrong, it'll tell you why it's wrong. And then you could also link it to the textbook and read the chapter again to understand it even better. And so when I was studying for my exams, I was always trying to find out what I had to improve upon in order to do really well. So what I would do is I would find the areas I didn't understand, and then I would head to adaptive test prep and start testing myself on these topics. Adaptive test prep would show me what I got wrong, provide clear explanations, and then show me where to access the information to improve upon my learning within the textbook. And so all of this was incredibly helpful for me, and I wanted to share it with you guys because, like it or not, grades are incredibly important in university. So having a feature like this offered to you as part of a textbook is something that you really should take advantage of. It'll really help you improve your grade and your understanding of economics.